Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S40, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, simply open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. And once it's open and visible, press power key and volume down at the same time. Or press and hold. The phone will vibrate and give you this pop-up right here. Please click on OK to complete the save. I think this is just gonna automatically save it. So let's do it again, because we do have also a couple options right here. So as you can see, we can capture a full screenshot, which is set by default. We can scissor, which basically allows us to crop it. There we go. So you can capture just a specific part of it if you want to. Cutting other ones. We can do a paint, which I believe allows us just to draw on it. Then we have free, which will allow us to select freely the area. So as you can see, I can just kind of like cut it out like this. And let's see how it will save it actually, because I'm curious. So it does cut it out, but it saves a square anyway. And lastly was a scrollable screenshot, which I'll open up settings just so I have something that I can scroll up and down, and do that once again. So go long. Oh, so we do it like this apparently. So we just click down and then we can select OK, which saves, as you can see, a longer version of it. So anyway, all the screenshots that I have just captured can be found in our photo gallery application. Just quickly locate where that is. Oh, right here, photos. And there we go. So there are the three different screenshots I have captured. There is the long one, then there is the free one, which I kind of cropped. Although you can see it just like cutting out the letters. Everything here is black, so it makes it kind of hard to distinguish what's what. But if the background would be light, you'd kind of, or light as in white, you would see that it has this kind of like weird shape to it. And then there is just the normal screenshot, the first one that I have captured. So anyway, that is how you capture a screenshot, and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.